Hello. So for the last 5 problems, let's see what they are. Number 25. CBS News poll conducted in June 10th and 11th. A sample of 651 adults were asked their party and how the U.S. economy was. So going across is the party, going down is how the economy is. Now notice they don't have totals. So when we need like all Republicans, then we would have to add those. So if we look at the second one, if we randomly select one of the adults who participated in the study, now since we're doing one of the adults in the study, you're going to divide by the total, which they told us was 651. The probability they think it's getting better then would be the 38 plus 12 plus 21, and then you divide by the total. 651. Oops. So 38 plus 12 plus 21 gives us the 0.109. Probability better given affiliated with neither party. Now when something's given, only use that row or column. So they're saying it's given with affiliated with neither party. So it would be neither, this bottom row. So we're only using the bottom. So we need to add up the bottom, which 21 plus 90 plus 118. So 100 or 229 are affiliated with neither party. Now the probability it's better then would be 21 out of the 229. Which should give us this answer here. Mm-hmm. 0.092. Probability affiliated with neither party given better. The better is the given part, so then we only use this row. So we're dividing by the 38 plus 12 plus 21. Which is 71, and affiliated with neither party, so 21 divided by 71, which will give you 0.296. So when something's given, only use that row or column. Now, probability affiliated with neither party and better, then that would be 21 out of the total. So it would be 21 divided by the total, which was 651. And you'll get 0.032. Number 26. A home pregnancy test was given to women Then pregnancy was verified through blood tests. The following table shows the home pregnancy test. So pregnant and not pregnant is going across, and the test positive or negative is going down. So we want positive given pregnant. Given pregnant means you're only using that row, the pregnant row. This one here. Oops. There. There we go. So we're only using this because that's the part that's given. So positive is 52 out of 60. So this would be 52. What is the probability that the woman is pregnant given the test is positive? Given the test is positive, we'd be going down, which is a total of 59. And the probability she's pregnant, only using that column, 52 divided by 59. Part C. Given that the woman is pregnant, what's the probability that the test is negative? So now in this one, we know she's pregnant. So we only use that top row. So a total of 60. What is the probability the test is negative? So it's 8 out of 60. And the last one is not pregnant given negative. So given negative is this column here. Not pregnant is 60 out of the 68. So the biggest thing is making sure if something's given, you only use that row or column. Find the probability that the consumer is 18 to 24 years old, given that they dislike Crunchicles. So if they dislike Crunchicles, it's that second row. 18 to 24, so it's 22 out of 172. And then you reduce it. Probability that the selected consumer dislikes Crunchicles. So now this one's just using the consumer, so you're dividing by the total. Dislikes Crunchables would be 172 out of 400. What's the probability that the selected consumer is 35 to 55 years old or likes Crunchicles? So for this one, it's a little bit different. I'm going to write it over here. Because it's an or and they overlap, you have to take the probability 35 to 55 plus the probability like, I'm just going to put crunch, minus the probability of both. Probability 35 to 55 and like crunch. Because you have to take that overlap. If we do the 35 to 55, let me bring this down a little bit. There's 18 of them. So 18 divided by the total, 400. Now if we do like crunch, Notice as we're going across, we're counting this one here. This 3, we counted it going down, and then we're counting it going across. When we get the 10 out of 400 for the likes the crunch. So you have to subtract this out. This would be the 35 to 55 and like crunch, so we need to subtract the 3 which will give you, let's see, 8, 20. $25 divided by 400. Which gives you 1/16. If the selected consumer is 70 years old, what's the probability they like Crunchicles? Well, if they're 70 years old, then they're in this last column, 55 and over. And they like Crunchables. Now, the given part is this column. So, liking Crunchables is 1 out of the 304, and that's what they got. The next group is pretty similar. Yeah, we'll stop there.